Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video we are going to have a look at Moz. Moz is an SEO tool, and earlier it was called SEO Moz, and now they have changed to Moz.com. So this is a premium SEO tool, and you can go ahead and try Moz Pro for free for 1 month. And I have also signed up for a 1 month trial because right now I am using Ahrefs, which we have discussed in a previous video. And this particular tool costs around $179 a month, which is not cheap. But if you are very serious about your site's SEO and if you are investing a lot on content and other things, this might make sense to you. So in this video, I will log in into my dashboard and show you what are the features available in Moz Pro. So this is the login dashboard of Moz Pro, and you can see I just signed up for a free trial and it says 30 days left. So here you can go ahead and create campaigns. So with the basic account, you get 10 campaigns, and right now I have created one campaign, which is Digital Deepak, my own blog. And here you can see domain authority is 42%. And if I go ahead and click on this, I will be able to see more details inside the campaign. So here you can see these are the competitor sites I have added, and these are the total external links I have, which is not bad. I have gained 7,459 external links so far, and according to Moz, I have a domain authority of 42, and these are the domain authorities of my competitors. And here you can see there are rankings. I can go ahead and analyze a keyword. So let's say best online digital marketing courses, and I am searching for it. So whenever I am publishing a new article, I can go ahead and analyze the keyword. So let's say learn digital marketing, which is a much better keyword. So I can go ahead and search for it, and I can see what is the difficulty of ranking a particular keyword. So let's search for some other keyword here, or I will just search for digital marketing. So here you will be able to see, let's say, digital marketing course, and this is going to be India specific, that's why it says national. So here you can see what is the search volume for this keyword and how difficult it is to rank for this keyword. And it also gives you a SERP analysis. So it shows you all the different websites that are ranking for this particular keyword. And this is a pretty competitive keyword. A lot of people are selling digital marketing courses. So there is a section called page optimization, and in this section you can give a URL and you can give a keyword, and then you can go ahead and check what is the page optimization score and how this particular page is going to rank for this particular keyword. So here I put digital marketing and I put my web page Digital Deepak, and it says it has found 30 keywords, and 23 factors are helping and 4 factors might be hurting, and the page score is 86. So here I have to remove some keywords because the digital marketing keyword might be repeated too much, and I can add the keywords in the URL, but right now Digital Deepak does not have keywords. Optimal use of keywords in header tags and keywords in image alt attribute are the suggestions that I can go ahead and implement. So content suggestions that might help you rank higher, like for example, these are the other content keywords that might help me rank better. So digital marketing strategies. So right now for digital marketing strategies, you can see there is a bunch of other websites ranking for this particular keyword. And what I can do is that I can go ahead and write articles about digital marketing strategies, and that is going to probably rank better for the site structure that I have. So that is page optimization. Then we have site crawl. So Moz has a crawler just like Google has a crawler, and Moz goes ahead and crawls the entire website and brings up issues. So here you can see there is a bunch of issue with no index. So basically basically this is with my subdomain learn.digitaldeepak.com, and this entire site is no index because it contains my courses and I don't want it to be ranked. And you can see the other pages which are in no index or category pages. So I don't want the category or the tag pages to be ranked either. So that's why it's no index. And if you go ahead and look at all crawled pages, it will show you if there are any other errors. So there are a lot of pages which have moved permanently, and right now it is being redirected to some other website. And you can also see that if I have affiliate links, then that is also something that will be redirected. So here the purpose of this report is to just to make sure that if you have any real content pages, those content pages should not be redirected, or it should not have a 404 error or any such error. So that is something that you can find within this section, and you can go ahead and figure out what are the pages you might want to unlink. So here you can see this is one page that is probably in the index, but the page does not exist. This is something I might have to correct. Then we have some crawler warnings, redirect issues. So here you can see redirect issues are the ones which are my affiliate links. So obviously this will be redirected, nothing to be worried about. You have metadata issues. So if there is any missing metadata, it will show it up here. And if there are any content issues, it will show up here. So here it does say that there are a bunch of pages with content issues. Like for example, these are subdomain pages, and these are the landing pages that I have. And here there are missing H1 tags, missing or invalid H1, which is fine because this is not my blog page, rather landing page for my sales page. So this might not have H1 tags. Another interesting feature of Moz is the link explorer, and here you can see inbound links. So inbound links give you an idea about where the links are coming from, and this is obviously picked up by the Moz crawler. So I have been able to find out some inbound links to my site, which I have not seen in other tools such as Ahrefs. So Moz is definitely better in picking out inbound links. And here you can see I have been able to see some inbound links from very authoritative websites like vox.com. And if I go to vox.com, it says the anchor text is more effective. So let's go and search for more effective. So here you can see they have written Facebook often raises its ad prices as they become more effective. And let's see what they have linked to. So they have linked to this article where I have mentioned why does your Facebook cost increase over time. And this is one well-researched article that I had published, and it explains why Facebook ads cost keeps increasing. And a publication like Vox has linked to that, which is a very good thing. So which is a very clear indication that if you publish good content, then good content will earn links naturally. So that's what is happening here. And you can see entrepreneur.com. So these are the pages where I have published a guest post. So again, entrepreneur.com is a very reputed publication. So, and here you can see in this article there is a link back to my blog, which is my homepage. And if I click on this, it goes to digitaldeepak.com. So all this is helping in my SEO. I should probably publish more articles on entrepreneur. And here you can see your story, Digital Deepak, my sitemap, and YouTube video tutorial. So these are no follow links. And then you have tiny URL, and then you have Medium. So let's figure out what we have here in Medium. So somebody seems to have published a list of digital marketing experts in India, and they have linked to my blog here, Deepak Kanagaraju here as well. So these are the inbound links that I have been able to pick out by looking at the link explorer. And what I can do is that I can go ahead and create another campaign for my competitors and find out where the inbound links for my competitors are coming from, and try to go ahead and replicate the same inbound links through finding out what my competitors are getting. So that is another way to use the inbound links thing. The linking domain section gives you all the domain names that are linking to you. You can see box.com, ted.com, Quora, Entrepreneur, and all the big websites are linking to me. And this has been through years and years of going ahead and creating good content, earning backlinks over time. So the site is almost 5 to 6 years old right now, and that is why all these links has been gained. So here you can see anchor text. So what are people anchoring the text with? And here you can see there are some shady anchor text as well, which probably someone did it to hurt my business, but I have disavowed those links and removed those links from the possibility of affecting my search. And this looks like spam, and any popular website will start getting some spam links, and you have to go ahead and disavow the links. So disavow is something that you tell Google that please don't consider these links while trying to gauge the authority of my website. So there is also a section called spam score. So if the links that I am getting from websites, if it is very shady links, then the spam score will increase. So it is a good idea to have an eye on the spam score. So these are the major features of Moz, and then you have site traffic, which has not started populating yet. So this you will get from Google Analytics import, and then you have insights, and then you have custom reports, campaign settings. So these are the major options available in Moz. Obviously, there are too many things to cover. I will not go into everything, but I will go over the important areas. So one more area is keyword research. So they have a tool called Keyword Explorer, and let's say I enter digital marketing courses as the keyword, and I will go ahead and select India from here and search for it. So here it will show me the keyword difficulty, the organic CTR, the priority, and it will show me the SERP analysis. What are the top websites that are ranking for this particular keyword? And you can see digital marketing courses online, digital marketing courses near me in Bangalore, in Mumbai. These are the different keyword suggestions that I have based on the seed keyword, which is digital marketing courses. So I can go ahead and take these keywords and go ahead and publish articles for it, and I can go ahead and rank for it. So digital marketing jobs is one major keyword. Google digital marketing course, online marketing courses with certificates. So these are the different keywords I can go ahead and write articles for, and this is probably going to help me increase the search traffic. So you have a proper keyword research tool inside Moz, so you don't need to go ahead and buy or subscribe for a separate keyword research tool. So then you have a section called Link Explorer. So I will go ahead and enter digitaldeepak.com and figure out how many inbound links I have, how many different linking domain names I have, and how many keywords I'm ranking for. So I'm ranking for 1.6k keywords, and if I click on that, then it shows me what are the different keywords that I am ranking number one for. So these are all the keywords that I am ranking number one for. This is very interesting to see because yeah, a lot of keywords I never knew that I was ranking first. Like for example, you can see digital marketing courses in Ahmedabad. So for this, I seem to be ranking number 2, and you can see I am ranking here. And let's go ahead and check top 10 digital marketing firms in Bangalore. So this is also an article I wrote about top digital marketing agencies in Bangalore, and you can see that there is an article here as well for that. So there is a lot of content opportunities by looking at this, and I can go ahead and figure out how to leverage this based on the keywords that I am already ranking for well. And this is data that you will not get easily from some other source. So Moz does a really good job of getting your ranking report and figuring out for which keywords that you are ranking very well. So right now it looks like I am able to see only United States data. I am not able to see Indian data, but the difference will not be much. So if I go ahead and enter a keyword of my competitor and search for it, I can see what are the keywords that he is ranking for. So number of Facebook users in Chennai, apparently he is ranking number 1 for that. And here you can see growing Facebook users in Tamil Nadu. He has published an infographic and he is ranking for that. So Google Tag Manager course, best institute for digital marketing in Mumbai, he is ranking number 1 for that as well. And a lot of other keywords which are best digital marketing institutes in so and so city. So here I can go ahead and get some keyword ideas from this as well. I can also go ahead and explore by keyword. So if I go ahead and explore by keyword, then I will enter my keyword here. So let's say digital marketing courses Bangalore and search for it. So here you will be able to see I can get keyword suggestions, I can get the SERP analysis, find out who are the people who are ranking top for this particular keyword. And here I can go ahead and have specific keyword suggestions for this particular keyword, and these are the keywords I can include in my article to try to rank for all the possible different keyword combinations. So I can publish one article and go ahead and rank for all the keyword combinations that are available. So then you have link research. Link research is basically link explorer. You can see I can figure out discovered and lost linking domains, metrics over time, what are the top followed links. So what are the top do follow links I have got, what are the top pages on the site, what are the top anchor text that I am being linked to, and linking domains by DA. So I have 11 linking domains with DA of 9100, 81 to 99 linking domains, 71 to 86 linking domains, and this is how the pattern is. And the higher the domain authority that is linking to you, the better it is. So here you can check bunch of other things, top pages, discovered and lost, which we have already had a look at. There is also something called rank checker. So you can put a particular keyword, let's say digital marketing experts, and put the URL, and it will track what is your ranking, and it will tell you what is the difficulty, and it will tell you when it was last checked. So if you have a bunch of keywords which you are tracking the rank for, let's say digital marketing companies in Bangalore, and I want to check for digitaldeepak.com. So I can put the country here as India, put digitaldeepak.com and click on search, and this is something that I can add here. And over time, instead of going to Google and checking what I am ranking for repeatedly, I can just use Moz to track my keyword rankings over time. And here you can see there are 198 out of 200 queries available tomorrow, so only 200 queries per day are allowed. So here you can see I am ranking number 7 for this, and this is the keyword difficulty, and this is the last checked. So this is something that I can track over time. I can go ahead and ask Moz to go ahead and crawl my website, which is called on-demand crawl, and then there is something called on-page grader. So if I put a page and if I put a keyword, then it will show me what are the on-page SEO things that I can do to improve ranking of that particular page. So this particular video is just an overview of the Moz tool, and I hope it has given you an idea about what Moz Pro is and what you can do with this tool. If you want a deep dive into all these tools, and if you want a deep dive into all the technical aspects of SEO, then I recommend you go ahead and check out my SEO Mastery course, in which we have covered extensively on how to go ahead and use these tools, and we also show you how to use these tools in live campaigns that we are doing for our clients, and we go ahead and explain how to publish articles, create content, and get them to rank with live case studies. So that's about it for this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.